Hello everybody, I'm Sofia. Welcome back to my channel. Why always when I'm doing a video there is someone walking on the street? A car passing by? Well, I think I have to close the windows. This is my first English video. I'm so sorry for my pronunciation is not that perfect and you can totally understand that I'm Italian. So yeah, I'm doing this a lot of times. So to celebrate my first video in English, I just want to wax myself. I mean, not all body, I'm not that brave, but I'm going to do an upper lip wax. I used to do it, but then I stopped. I was doing in a strange way. Don't do it in that way if you want to see the video. It's down below. Today I'm going to do with the wax strips. Ta-da! There you go. I'm a bit scared because I really have sensitive skin. Or sensitive skin. Should I trust it? Anyway, inside you have the strips with the wax. Obviously, they're like this. They are yellow and they smell like wax actually. And there is like post-waxing wipe. Let's read the instruction. For the best results, rub the wax strips between your palms for a minimum of 30 seconds. Warm the wax. Then apply strips from one of the strips to the area to be treated. Okay. There are too many steps. I mean, it's that difficult. Holding things out to avoid discomfort. Quickly pull the strips back and self against the direction your head. Okay. I'm going to do a disaster. Oh my god. Any remaining wax can be removed using the cleansing wipe. Cleansing wipe? What a difficult name. The hair must be between 2 and 5 millimeters long. How should I know how long they are? Okay, let's start. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. As it says, we have to make it out with the palm. I'm scared. I'm scared. I am scared. There you are. No. It's getting cold really fast. I mean, I'm not that fast. Wait. Okay. No, it's not getting hot. What if I do? That's one of the best hairdryer ever. I think no. Okay, now yes. Oh my god, I'm scared. Like this, right? You ready? I'm not. 1, 2, 3. Ouch! Didn't expect that. I mean, it's going well. Oh my god. Let's do the other part. Okay. 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 One more time. One more time. You're gonna celebrate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I think it's normal. Don't get mad, Sophia. I think it's normal. Let's say that I'm not the perfect beautician, but you know, time of quarantine you have to. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Yeah! Ew. My lips are really red. Oh my god. I have like the shape of the strips. I mean, I'm really happy. Yeah, I'm a bit red, but I think it's normal and I think it's going away in few minutes. If I can open it. Yeah. Smells really good. In the meantime, I'll just wait for this wipe to getting dry to put my cream and let's see. That's the result. Yeah, I thought it was a crazy idea, but actually it's fine. First time I did it, I was doing a disaster. I did a disaster. So this time I was like prepared to be, but actually no. Amazing! I'm so happy. I'm really happy. It's working. I mean, normally I'm a disaster. First of all, you have to be careful with this. Anyway, the video is ending. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you want the wax strips, facial wax strips, you can find out down below with all the products. I hope you like that I'm doing English video, because I think it's gonna be much better for all the friends that I have that always said to me, I don't understand what you say, you have to do English video. And yeah, definitely. And I think it's also an improvement for all the Italian people that follow me to learn English. Yeah, a little bit, no? So yeah, this crazy idea went right. I'm happy. How can I say in English e quindi niente? Because I always finish my video saying e quindi niente raga. So I will stay with that. I really like it. So e quindi niente raga. I will kiss you and I will hug you really strong, yeah? And I will see you at the next video. Bye!